I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above, and the sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase.
We're going to start this combination with 3 running flaps, starting on the right foot. Flap, flap, flap. Then you're going to drop your right heel, heel drop, and you're going to do a heel dig on the left foot. Heel dig. And that's out to the front. So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, 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 heel dig. The counts for that are and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here, your left foot is up and it's ready to go. So we're going to do a buffalo to the left. Buffalo. And then we're going to do another flap, but this time we're going to add on a ball change. Flap, ball change. So we just finished our flap, 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 heel dig. Our left foot's ready to go. We do buffalo, flap, ball change. So let's put all of that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, 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 heel dig. Buffalo, flap, ball change. With the counts this time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. You want to make sure that you put your weight on that left foot after that flap ball change. So we just did buffalo, flap, ball change. The weight goes on that left foot because we're going to start a new step with the right foot. So we just finished our buffalo, flap, ball change. Our weight is on that left foot. Our right foot is ready to go. We're going to do flap, back flap, flap, ball change. That is going to the right side. So just take a look. Flap, back flap, flap, ball change. So again, we just finished buffalo, flap, ball change. We do flap right foot, back flap left foot, flap, ball change right foot. Great. From here, we do a stomp, 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 stomp. So remember, the stomp puts no weight on your foot. That is a stamp if you wanted to put a weight on it. This is a stomp. So we just did our flap, back flap, flap, ball change. Then we're going to cross over and do a stomp, stomp. Then from here, our left foot is ready because there was no weight on that. We still got our weight in our right foot. We do spank, ball, change. Okay, let's try all of that very slowly from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, 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 heel dig. Buffalo, flap, ball change. Flap, back flap, flap, ball change. Stomp, stomp, brush ball, change. Great, let's try it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Ready to try it with music? Let's do it.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glory.
Okay guys, great job. Let's keep going. So we just finished our stomp, stomp, brush ball, change. Now we're going to do 2 stamps, starting with the left foot. Left foot is ready to go. We do stamp, stamp. Then we're going to do back flap, clap. Then we're going to do stamp, stamp again. Stamp, stamp, We're going to do back flap on the left foot, back flap. Then we're going to do a shuffle, hop, step. So with the right foot is ready, shuffle, hop, step. And you're going to cross over on that hop, step. So that's going to look like this. So we just finished our 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3. Clap, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So let's try it from, we've just finished the buffalo, flap, ball change. Let's try it from the flap, back flap, flap, ball change. Here we go, from the flap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, back flap, flap, ball change. Stomp, stomp, brush ball, change. Stamp, stamp, brush back, clap, stamp, stamp, brush back, shuffle, hop, step. Now you guys will notice that I said brush back rather than back flap. You can say a brush back, you can say back flap, you can say stick step. There are a variety of ways that you can say that. Sometimes I say all three and probably other things. Just make noises. So again, same place. From the flap, going to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, back flap, flap, ball change. Stomp, stomp, brush ball, change. Stamp, stamp, brush back, clap, step, step, shuffle, hop, step. Great. From here, we are going to do a step, ball change, ball change, ball change. So that's just step, ball change, ball change, ball change. Now here's the thing. You can keep it straight like I just did it. Step, ball change, ball change, ball change. Or you can turn it. So take a look. So rather than step, ball change, ball change, ball change, you can turn and do step, ball change, ball change, ball change. And that ball change is propelling you around in a circle. So let's try it with the turn. Let's try it from stomp, stomp, brush ball, change. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Stamp, stamp. Clap, step, stamp. Shuffle, hop, step. Step, ball change, ball change, ball change. How did that feel? Good? Let's keep going. So we just finished our step, ball change, ball change, ball change, either facing the front or doing it around in the circle. After that, our right foot is ready. We are going to do a 3-count riff. Now we just learned these in last week's tutorial, so if you need a refresher, definitely go back and check that out. So a 3-count riff. And the riff, then we're going to do a toe tap. Tap right in front, you're picking it right back up. Think of it like you're splashing in a puddle. You're singing in the rain after all, right? So when you do that toe tap, think of it like you're hitting a puddle. So we just did our 3-count riff, tap. Now we're going to do a simple cramp roll. Cramp roll. So riff, tap, and that's going to lead into the right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and a 5, 6, 7, and 8. So just so you can see it to the front from the 3-count riff, and the 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job, you guys. So we just learned the second section. So let's go ahead and go through the entire thing from the beginning slowly, and then we'll try it with music. A 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and a 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4. And 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And a 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good?
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing.
Okay guys, great. So we have one more section to learn. This section's a little bit longer, but we're gonna get through it very quickly. All right, here we go. So we just finished our 3-count riff, our toe tap, and our cramp roll. So our weight is evenly distributed between the 2 feet. We're going to take a step out to the right with the right foot. We're going to do step, scuff with your heel, step, scuff, step, scuff, ball, change. Super easy. What you want to think of while you're doing it is that you're splashing in the puddles on the street. All right? So we're going to do step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, ball, change. From here, we're going to do 2 paradiddles. Now, they're a little bit different. You have learned a paradiddle. The step is the same, but the rhythm is going to be a little bit different than what you've done before. Take a look. So when we learned in the first video, we learned a paradiddle. Paradiddle, paradiddle. We learned it very straight count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This time it's going to have a little swing rhythm to it. So rather than 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, it's going to be paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. Little bit of difference, but the step is still the same. So we're going to start on the left foot. We're going to do paradiddle, paradiddle. Then we're going to step on the left foot out to the side, step. Then we're going to do 2 toe digs, toe, toe, step. Let's try it from the step scuffs. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, ball, change, paradiddle, paradiddle, step, dig, dig, step. We're almost done, you guys. From here, we're going to crawl in, toes first, then heels. Starting with the right foot. Toe, toe, heel, heel. So it brings your feet together. So we just did the dig, dig, step. Our feet are far apart. Then we're going to start with our right toe, toe, left toe, right heel, left heel. So it brings your feet together. Now we're going to jump out, Then we're going to, from here, hop up and land on the right foot. Then we're going to do a leap to the left foot. And then we're going to do a little chug or jump forward. From the step scuffs. So we do a 5, 6, 7, 8, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, ball, change, paradiddle, paradiddle, step, dig, dig, out, right, left, jump, hop, leap, chug. We have one more step, and you guys already know it because you learned it in the beginning tap tutorial series. It is a rhythm turn, and this one is going to be done fairly slowly, so that's good. So we just did our chug with our right foot. We're going to do a shuffle, then we're going to finish our rhythm turn. Toe, heel, heel, toe drop, toe drop. Okay, let's try it again from the step scuffs all the way to the end through the final rhythm turn. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, scuff, step, scuff, step, scuff, ball, change, paradiddle, paradiddle, step, dig, dig, step, right, left, jump, hop, leap, chug, rhythm turn. Okay, great. Let's do the entire combination from the very beginning. We'll do it a little bit slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5 and 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4. And 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, paradiddle, step. 1, 2, 3, right, you guys, you did it. So let's try the entire thing from beginning to end with music.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above, and the sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase.
Great job, you guys, and thank you so much for joining me today to learn this combination. Now remember, if you have questions about some of the steps in this combination, there is a video tutorial to address that. So I have linked those videos below. Feel free to go back and rewatch and rewatch and rewatch until you feel comfortable with the step and the combination. Now that you've finished the beginning tap tutorial series, you are ready to move on. So starting next week, I will be uploading new videos that are at a more advanced beginner and intermediate level. So I look forward to teaching you more tap steps as we go along. If you have enjoyed this video and if you have enjoyed the beginning tap tutorial series, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so, and make sure to hit that little bell and it will alert you every time a new video is uploaded. Thank you guys so much, and I can't wait to teach you more, so I'll see you next week.